In the last month, Alex Lab went up by more than 500%. Now, if this is your first time hearing about the Alex token, and sorry, you're following the wrong channels. Because this channel talked about Alex Lab when it was at 17 cents. Now it's at 34.8 cents. So maybe if you want to be early next time, you should be following channels like this. Now, in that prior video, we talked about all kinds of fundamentals. Alex being a decentralized finance platform built on Bitcoin. We talked about the total value locked on chain. We also talked about developer activity, which was very high. We had a look at the platform, the team, and the technology. Now this video will be slightly different. In this video we are going to look at a back-tested strategy to trade the Alex token. So what kind of market timing strategy would have worked in the past to buy and sell Alex? And so I crunched the numbers with my magical Excel sheet. And the thing behind me is the result. I've backtested simple moving averages, I've backtested exponential moving averages, I've included trading fees, I've implemented betting on rising prices and on falling prices. Now here's the gist of that strategy. The idea is that you want to be buying whenever the price is above a moving average, and you want to be selling or even betting on falling prices whenever the price is below the moving average. So for this example, we would be buying here, ride the whole wave, and we would be selling or betting on falling prices over here. Now this is simply just a random moving average, the 50-day. But who says that 50-day is the best? Here is why this channel is different. Other channels simply just plot the 50-day or the 200-day moving average. They say here's a support, here's a resistance, and this is how we should behave. This channel does a simulation of buying and selling the token, trying to find the perfect length. Is really the 50-day moving average the best? Or should we maybe look at the 25-day, or maybe even shorter, 15-day, 10-day. What's the best historically? What should we take? What would have used the best specifically for Alex Labs? That's what we are seeing here. Those are annualized numbers. Again, we've got the fees here already included. The best simple moving average is the 4-day, and I've backtested all the way to the 52-day. The best exponential moving average is the 10-day. Now we can also look at this in chart form. So on the x-axis, we've got the moving average duration. On the y-axis, we've got the annualized performance. In turquoise, we've got the simple moving average. In red, we've got the exponential moving average. So again, the 4-day simple moving average used to work the best. The 10-day simple moving average also worked pretty well. The exponential moving averages didn't work that well. So let's plot exactly those two moving averages, those two simple moving averages. 4-day over here, 10-day over here. Now this gives us a good feeling of where potential support should be. At least historically this worked pretty well. The shorter of the two moving averages is at 24 cents, a drop of 32%. The longer duration moving average is now at 19.5 cents, so a drop of 45%. So those are pretty hefty drops, and we would still be bullish if we're just dropping a little bit less than that. The reason for that is, on the one hand, the very steep rise of Alex Labs right now. Second reason is that usually crypto does tend to move in waves. It does tend to move in trends. When a cryptocurrency used to go up in the past, it's more likely than not to continue to go up, and vice versa. Momentum does reinforce itself. And again, the nice thing about this strategy is that it works for most cryptocurrencies, not just for Alex Labs. I've done a ton of those kinds of backtests in the premium membership. Link is down below, thebitcoinstrategy.com. Let me know what altcoin to analyze next down in the comments. And again, if you're new here, feel free to subscribe. I publish videos regularly. There's also a free Telegram. Link is down below.